Hi, ninth grade English 1. This is Ms. Stapp, and I'm creating a video for the week of April 6th through 12th to help you understand the assignments that we've included. As you can see, I have pulled up the task assignment for the week, and there's a little bit of new information here. You might have noticed it this past week. We would like you to upload those assignments that we ask for by Sundays at 11:55 p.m. So I'm going to go ahead and open your lesson plan here. As you scroll down, you're going to see that the lesson plan is a little shorter than it was last time. There are going to be 3 steps, but at the very top of this plan, I've included information about your Thursday Zoom meeting. We're going to continue to have these Zoom meeting each week. This time, your login information is going to change, and I will be sending to my classes this information via ManageBack messages probably on Thursday morning. And you'll be able to get that login information and go right to your class. So those are important just so you have an opportunity to ask us questions, to see your classmates. And this week we will be taking some time for you to peer edit and work with your peers on your dialectical journal entry. Step 1 is to read chapter 3 of The Great Gatsby. I hope you're enjoying The Great Gatsby. And in order to help you understand this text, we're going to continue to ask you to do that vocabulary.com assignment each week. This week is list number 4, and I've heard from some of the students that it takes a while, especially if you make a mistake, you have to start all over. So we've given you 90 minutes to work on that vocabulary lesson this week. Step 2 is going to be that claim support question dialectical journal entry. So last week you created your statement, and this week you're going to go ahead and start writing your paragraph. Let me open up the document that I've included to help you with this right here. As you can see at the very bottom, again, we have that Peel paragraph set up for you. So you just should be able to go along and start plugging in the evidence in that order. Remember, organization is really important to helping the reader understand your claim. So here again is an outline of what a claim is, what we're looking for. And you'll start writing that, and that will be the one piece that you do upload this week. Let me go back to our lesson plan. There we go. So upload to ManageBack as a PDF. Some of you are not saving things as a PDF, but an image, and I can't always open those images. And the other downside to that is that you cannot have feedback directly on your image. ManageBack allows me to add annotations and write on your documents if they're saved as a PDF. So that'll be really easy for you to take my feedback and apply that directly to your document if you're able to save it as a PDF or a Word document. So the next step is step 3. You're going to continue working on your characterization worksheets. And if you've already filled them up, some of my students have just printed those off fresh again, and you can fill them with your new information from chapter 3. Over here on the left, I've given you a little example of a way to differentiate between each chapter to show me that you're adding some new information. You can do that with colors. It does not have to be, especially if you started with red before we asked you to change colors. Just go ahead and add another color and let me know that that's the color that you've chosen for chapter 3. You will not be uploading your characterization sheets this week, but you will keep them for yourself to use as we go along to help you understand this text. Let's see. At the very bottom, you can't see it here, unfortunately. Let's see if I can move my screen. No? All right. On your screen, you'll be able to see when you pull up this document that all the things that are due. So there are 3 things due this week. Like I said, that is your vocabulary.com list, your claim support question dialectical journal entry, and your characterization sheets with your chapter 3 information. Those are the things you should be working on, and you should be uploading that step 2 claim support question dialectical journal entry. Also be great if you have that for our Thursday discussion so you can get some feedback from myself and your peers. That's all for this week. I hope to see you soon, maybe on Thursday at our Zoom meeting. And in the meantime, carry on, friends.